Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix the FPS drops if you have an NVIDIA graphics card. And to do so, it's very easy. You'll just have to follow these few steps that I'm going to show you. So let's get straight into it. First, right click on your desktop and go to the NVIDIA control panel, or you can also go to the search bar here and then type NVIDIA control panel. It's basically the same. So once you have opened the NVIDIA control panel, go to the Manage 3D settings and then scroll down and find the shader cache size. So you will see that it's in driver default. Just click on Disabled. Now once you have done that, click on Apply and then close this and restart your computer. Now once you have restarted the computer, open the NVIDIA app in your search bar and then you will be on this page right here. So click on the drivers button in the left section and you will find yourself on this page. So click on Studio Driver in the top right and here you will find two types of drivers, either the Game Ready driver or the Studio driver. So if you are more gaming on your computer, choose the Game Ready driver, and if you are more using creative apps like the Adobe Suite or C4D or any other app that is for creative use, just click on Studio driver. So yeah, basically just choose whatever suits you the most. And then once you have chosen what's the best for you, just click on install and close the NVIDIA app and restart your computer again. Now once you have done that, you have to go to the search bar and then search for disk cleanup. So open the disk cleanup here and then choose the drive that you want to clean up. Let's say for example C2 point, which is the basic one. So here as you can see I have many files that I can delete. So here I just need to delete the DirectX shader cache. So select it and then click on OK. And then click on delete files. Now once it's deleted, again restart your computer by going to the Windows button and then go to restart. Once you have restarted your computer, reopen the NVIDIA control panel and then you will find yourself on the same page that we had opened before. And go again to the 3D settings, manage 3D settings, and here scroll down again to the shader cache size, and in the drop down menu click on driver default and then apply and wait for it to be applied. And that's it. Basically you can restart your computer and you won't have FPS drops anymore. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.